the channel. I'm gonna do an unpackaging. Not sure if it's from Temu or if it's from Amazon or what. So I am trying or waiting on a package, but the one from Amazon doesn't say delivered. The one from Temu doesn't say delivered, so. It's neither. It's the MD Acne that I put in for. Put in for a sample and I paid shipping. So it says start your journey with clear skin. So, sorry if you can hear my dog in the background. So this is their custom cleanser for, for day and nighttime. The acne moisturizer for daytime. And the custom treatment cream. Then they also threw in the blackhead removal strips for daytime. So I'm going to try this, see how their company is, see if I want to use them, and if not, I can cancel with them. So that is great. And once again, that is MD Acne. You can find them at mdacne.com. All right, thanks for watching. Bye, you guys.